In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your email in the Klarna app and what to do if you need to change it. First, grab your phone and open the Klarna app. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you haven't used the app in a while, it's a good idea to update it through your app store so the menus look the same as what you see here. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home screen. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen for the profile icon. It usually looks like a small person silhouette or your account avatar. Tap that icon to open your account menu. This is where Klarna keeps all your personal settings and payment details, so it's the right place to verify what information is on file. From the profile menu, select Account Information and Address. This section brings together your basic personal details, including your name, email, and the addresses you've saved for deliveries and billing. Give the page a moment to load if your connection is slow. Here, look for the email field. This is the email address currently linked to your Klarna account. Take a second to confirm it's spelled correctly and that it's the one you expect to be using for receipts, notifications, and verification codes. If you're troubleshooting missing emails, check your spam or promotions folders in your email inbox as well, since Klarna messages can sometimes land there. Now, an important heads up, Klarna does not currently allow you to edit or change the email address directly in the app. That's by design, and it's meant to help protect your account identity and prevent unauthorized changes. So if you tap around and don't see an edit button for the email field, that's normal. If you truly need to use a different email address for your Klarna account, the available workaround is to delete your existing account and create a new one from scratch using the new email. Before considering that, think through a few practical points. Make sure you've reviewed any open orders or upcoming payments and consider saving any information you might need later, such as order confirmations or receipts. Once you're confident you're ready to move on, you can close the current account and sign up again with the new email during the creation process. That way, your new Klarna profile will be tied to the correct address from day one. And that's it. You've located your email in the Klarna app and learned the official path if you need to change it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your account details squared away.